welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you an easy slow cooker recipe. We're making honey garlic chicken and veggies in the slow cooker. It's very easy to put together. You put everything in the slow cooker and in just a couple of hours you have yourself some really yummy dinner ready for you to devour. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so we're going to start with 3 large chicken breasts and we're going to season them with some garlic salt. I am also going to put a little bit of Italian seasoning on the chicken. And make sure you season both sides of the chicken. I only used just about a teaspoon of garlic salt and Italian seasoning. So once your chicken has been seasoned, you want to set them aside for later. Then we're going to work on the vegetables. For veggies, I am using some red baby potatoes, some carrots, green beans, a large onion, and some parsley. I'm going to grab a knife from one of my favorite knife sets. This knife set was sent to me. It works amazing. It has a built-in sharpener that keeps all the knives very sharp. If you guys are interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. I'm going to snip the ends of my green beans, then transfer them into my slow cooker. I'm going to do the same with my carrots, then transfer them into my slow cooker. For the baby potatoes, I have some bigger pieces that I want to cut into halves, and you can just leave these smaller pieces as they are. Place the potatoes into your slow cooker and go ahead and mince your onion and add to the rest of your veggies. Next, go ahead and season the veggies with some salt and black pepper, then drizzle a little bit of olive oil over them and toss everything together. Next, you're going to place the seasoned chicken over the veggies, then we're going to make the honey garlic sauce for the chicken and veggies. I went ahead and minced some garlic. I'm going to toss it into my bowl. And in this bowl, I have some dried oregano, dried basil, and red pepper flakes. Drop those in. Then we're going to add some soy sauce, some honey, and ketchup, and I'm going to leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. Go ahead and mix everything together, then you're going to pour the sauce all over your chicken and veggies. Next, I'm going to place the lid on, then I'm going to let this slow cook for 8 hours. After 8 hours, it's going to look really yummy and your house will smell so good. As you can see, the sauce is very watery. You can leave it as it is, but I like a thicker sauce. So I went ahead and removed the chicken and veggies from the sauce and placed them onto a separate plate. I'm going to pour the sauce into a pan over medium heat. Then I'm going to thicken the sauce with some cornstarch mixed with a little bit of water. Once that goes into the sauce, you're going to mix it in and let it cook with the sauce for about 5 minutes until the sauce thickens just like this. Then you're going to pour the thickened sauce all over your chicken and veggies. And that's it you guys. This looks really good and it smells even better. Very easy to put together. You don't have to do very much at all. The chicken is so tender, it falls right off, and the veggies are very nice and soft. This is such an easy, delicious weeknight dinner. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, go ahead and check out the description box. I have everything there.